Let's talk about one of the key strengths of the GPX-1, multi-constellation support. This feature ensures you get accurate, reliable positioning anywhere in the world. Unlike many GPS-only systems, the GPX-1 supports multiple constellations: GPS, GLONASS, QZSS, BeiDou, and Galileo. Each constellation brings additional satellites to the table, which means better coverage and more reliable signals. Whether you're working in a dense city, navigating through a forest, or flying a drone over an open field, the GPX-1 taps into the best satellite networks for optimal performance. In urban canyons, for example, GPS alone might not be enough, but with multiple multi-constellation support, the GPX-1 can lock onto other constellations to provide a stronger signal. This results in superior positioning, especially in environments where other systems might struggle. Whether you're looking for higher accuracy or better satellite availability, the GPX-1 delivers. Want to see how multi-constellation support can boost your navigation and positioning? Request a demo today and experience the difference.